She folds the clothes. She folds the clothes. She walks with crutches. She walks with crutches. I play outside. I play outside. Mom stirs the soup. Mom stirs the soup. I have a broken arm. I have a broken arm. She draws flowers. She draws flowers. He climbs mountains. He climbs mountains. I sing songs. I sing songs. He rides his bike. He rides his bike. I jump high. I jump high. She chokes on food. She chokes on food. He pets the dog. He pets the dog. She rides a pony. She rides a pony. I wait here. I wait here. She writes notes. She writes notes. You open the door. You open the door. They like eating pasta. They like eating pasta. He drinks a glass of orange juice. He drinks a glass of orange juice. She's nursing her baby. She's nursing her baby. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. He runs fast. He runs fast. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. She wakes up on time. She wakes up on time. She mops her room. She mops her room. He eats some fruit. He eats some fruit. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I put my clothes in the washing machine. I put my clothes in the washing machine. She cleans the table. She cleans the table. He ties his shoelaces. He ties his shoelaces. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I cut some fruit. I cut some fruit. I look at my watch. I look at my watch. He locks the gate. He locks the gate. I color pictures. I color pictures. He reads stories. He reads stories. We study in a group. We study in a group. I find some coins. I find some coins. She picks flowers. She picks flowers. He catches the ball. He catches the ball. I throw the ball. I throw the ball. He kicks it. He kicks it. She runs home. She runs home. She hangs up the clothes. She hangs up the clothes. He makes cakes. He makes cakes. He drinks water. He drinks water. She opens her bag. She opens her bag. I look outside. I look outside. I look through a telescope. I look through a telescope. They watch television. They watch television.
ඔයාලා තාමත් මගේ channel එක subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් අදම subscribe කරන්න කියලාත් ආදරෙන් මතක් කරනවා. එහෙනම් අපි තවත් දවසක හමු වෙමු. මම රන්සි.